Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to give a quick mini tutorial on how to take great photos for a virtual color analysis, and the service reference that I'm using is my own virtual color analysis service for this video. Stay tuned.
You don't have to hurry,
or you don't have to, you know, say that's
take your time,
front and your back too.
stay a while,
Nothing can stop you.
and you don't have to worry,
I said,
everything will work out fine,
no doubt.
stay a while.
So here I am, I have absolutely no makeup on, so that is step one. Don't wear makeup. The next thing is, if you wear eyeglasses, take them off for the picture of your face. For me, my hair is primarily natural, but I've tied it back because when you take photos and your hair is around your face, sometimes it can lead to shadowing. So I've just tied it back and put some bobby pins in it. And I've put a white piece of fabric over what I'm wearing. And so, so see how, the camera angle can really distort coloring. And so you want to be by a window ideally, and play around. I'm just using my iPad here, but play around with the coloring. Ideally you want to have no shadowing on your face. Even taking pictures outside would be ideal. And here I am outside. So maybe this might be better. You want to try no shadowing on your face, no direct sunlight, what have you. Position the camera as best as you can and take a few pictures and make sure you're choosing one with your in-person natural coloring the best that you can get in a photo. The next photo I asked for is a picture of your eye pattern, a very tricky picture to get. I know, and so I love taking it with an iPad and holding the iPad above my head, and I look into the camera lens, and usually I can get a clear picture of eye patterns that way. So hopefully that helps you. And in the color analysis submissions virtually, I also asked for pictures of each decade of you. Ideally, definitely I want one around the age of 20. And hopefully this helps you pull together your virtual color analysis submission. Have a great day.
You don't have to hurry,
Or you don't have to, you know, say that's
take your time,
front and your back.